Big respect, people. You don't know Subi there. Now I see some video circulating with some brothers in Jamaica, the garrison. Brothers, I could do better, no, man. I could do better. I could do better, man. Could do better. Me know say we're not that illiterate. Me know say we're not that stupid. What is going on, seeing? What is going on in the world is actually costing people their lives. A lot of you will come on the videos them, disrespecting the Prime Minister, disrespecting the police. You have grandmothers, you have family members who are vulnerable to this virus, are more vulnerable to this virus. So you wouldn't want to be out there and get this virus and carry it to your grandmother or even your mother. Because remember, some of you still eat out of mama pot, Some of you still depend on mama for cook food, So you don't really want the virus to catch on mama now, and mama for go, go down at the hospital. Maybe them don't even have space in the hospital for old mama. Or even your baby mother. Or even your youth. You see what I say? So, the Prime Minister, I try to protect the people, them, well-being. You understand? So, I could leave politics out right now, whether you're PMP or you're JLP. Leave politics out right now and stop style up the monster. You understand me? I say, because remember, say the Prime Minister of the power can send two men come lick on away, no matter how no bad. Because you don't reach the higher ranking of badness. You they are the lower ranking. I just some little man go on some gun. Or some politician go on some gun and have the gun them same way. When they're ready, you kill off two and own people them. You understand? I feel good about it. But in other time, you not needed. You don't have to show badness now because Corona the baddest thing right now upon the land. You're not bad like Corona. You're not bad like Corona. All the president of America, everybody afraid of Corona right now. So you're not better than Corona. So just humble yourself, no man. If the Prime Minister, some country you can't even get an hour on the street, Some country beat people upon them foot bottom, Suppose the soldier them come out of camp now and start beat, You don't know, so the world are going to look and say, the soldier them wicked for a beat, People are going to go against the soldier them and the police them for beat, But looking at India, them actually have beat people when them catch on the road, when them sip on the road, them beat the people, them, Now make it get to that, man. Now make it get to that, man. Leave out the disrespect of the Prime Minister right now and the police them star and the soldier them, the authorities them now we are try assist. Some of the people them out there, them not even have the right equipment to come deal with you. Them not have the right mask, them not have the right gears them to come deal with you. So them even come expose themselves to something where you may have, which is the virus. So I could just cooperate now, man, and make that thing go away. Because remember, it started off with one case and now 40-something cases. So that means it can spread. I know, so we're not that dunce. We're not that dunce, man. And if you are the done for your community, call in the little youth them and reason with them and I say, yo, no bill, man. That's what I say, bill, man. And the wickedest thing, if we bill, less people are all dead from violence too. So we're not going to like it. And then everybody are going to start bill. Even after the virus gone, because we're not going to realize say, what we did a fight for. That's what I say, what we did a war for. Look how the world we bill when I look a virus upon the land. Bill, man. You don't need that, man. You don't need that, Rude-Bwoys. You don't need that. Love that, man. Think about grandma and think about mama. Think about your picnic, them, man. Them can't get them. You know why you youth them go back to school? That's so illiterate, man. You know why your youth them go back to school? Then I say the school them closed down. So if you are go out there and you catch it and you spread it, the school them are go close down longer. And the economy are go crash. If the economy crash, your little hustling crash too. Just learn and build, no, man. We must can build a little bit, man. We could just take time out and build, man. Just hold it, man. See? And stop this, the Prime Minister and the police, them, man. Build, man.